Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about image formation by concave mirror. Today let's see some tips to draw the ray diagrams. So this is the diagram for concave mirror. This is the pole, focal point, center of curvature and infinity. So we'll start from infinity towards the pole of the mirror. So let us consider the first object position, that is when the object is at infinity. Let us mark it as 1. Now we'll move from infinity towards the pole. So our next position, that is between infinity and center of curvature. Now let's move towards the pole again. Now the third position we get at center of curvature. So this is the third position. Now we will move towards the pole again. So here we get our fourth position, that is between center of curvature and focal point. Again we will move towards the pole. We will get our fifth position on the focal point. Now the last position, again when move towards the pole, we will get it in between pole and focus and the pole. So we have got 6 object positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's mark it down. Our first position when the object is at infinity, and the second position, that is beyond C, and the third position at C, fourth position between F and C, and fifth position at F, and the last position between P and F. So these are our object positions. Now let's see the position of image for certain object positions. There is always a relation between infinity and the focal point. That means when the object is at infinity, we get the image at the focal point. Whereas when the object is at the focal point, we will get image somewhere at infinity. So infinity and focal point. So let's mark it here. When the object is at infinity, we get the image at F, that is at the focal point. So the next case, when the object is at F, when the object is at F, we get the image at infinity. So we will note it down. Infinity, focal point, at focal point, at infinity. And another one, that is when the object is beyond C, beyond the center of curvature, we will get image between between F and C, that is focal point and the center of curvature. So, and in the other case, when the object is between the focus and the center of curvature, between F and C, we get the image beyond C. So now let's mark it down. Beyond C, between F and C, between F and C, beyond C. So these are the two relations. Infinity, focal point, beyond C, between F and C. Now, 2 cases are left here, at C and between P and F. So, whenever the object is at center of curvature, the image will also be at center of curvature. So, at C will always be at C. And the last case, between pole and focus. In this case, we will get a virtual image that is formed behind the mirror. So this is a different case. We get the image behind the mirror which can't be caught on a screen. That's a virtual image. So these are the 6 cases: object positions and image positions. Now let's see the nature of image. Infinity, we get an image at the focus. That will be the size of the image. It is a point sized image. And when the object is beyond C, the image is formed between F and C, that will be diminished. Again, it is a small size image. Now at C, we will get the image at C which is same size as that of the object. Now when the object is between F and C, we get an image beyond C which will be a bigger image. At F, at infinity, we can say that it is also an enlarged image. And in this case, we will get an enlarged image, but a virtual image. So in all these cases, we can catch the image on a screen. So we can call them real images. Whereas in the last case, we cannot catch the image on a screen. So we can call it a virtual image. And we can find that in all these cases, we get an image that are inverted. Here the images are inverted images. Whereas in the last case, only in the last case, we will get an image that is erect. So all these cases we get real and inverted images, and in the last case we will get a virtual image. This is all about the nature of images. Using these tips, you can easily draw the ray diagrams. In the last class, we have discussed about ray diagrams of concave mirror. So see you in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.